Which basketball league is the top professional league in the Philippines?
Ano, DNR. Hindi, joke lang. Ano ba yun? Ano nga yung tanong?
Which is basketball league is the top professional league in the Philippines?
PBA.
Good.
Tama.
What is the iconic public transportation vehicle often called the king of the road?
Tricycle.
Tricycle! Ano yun, sir?
Hindi. Bike. Isiga sa kalsada yun. Agit na yun eh.
Yan.
Oh.
Tama. Hindi na pwedeng kabayo.
Oh. Truck. Jeep.
What is the name of the traditional Filipino dance performed using bamboo poles?
Ano ba yun?
No.
Cha-cha. Wala akong masagot.
TikTok. What? TikTok. Atras abante.
Atras abante.
Ano yun Pambansa, ano? Pambansa? Tinikling. Tinikling. Wow! Tama, sir? Tinikling?
Yes. Which Philippines landmark is known as the Whole City?
Batangas. Luneta.
Layon na.
Aba, malaki city yun. Binondo. Intramuros.
What is the city is home to the Chocolate Hills?
Tanawan City. What? Ay, Chocolate Hills. Chocolate Hills.
Rawan na.
Davao City, maraming chocolate dun eh. Isa pa. Tagal ko din na pag-aral. Bohol! Bohol! Bohol!